Here's an American Darling B84B fire hydrant. It's pretty cool. Caps are kind of loose on them. There you go. Here is a universal hardware door closer. And we have a standpipe here. And then some monitor modules, notifier smoke and indicator, some other piping, and some sprinklers, upright sprinklers. Here is a system sensor MHR mini horn and a sidewall sprinkler, first alert, ionization smoke alarm, and another sprinkler. Here is a GFCI right here, and on the other side another GFCI. Brought my little tester. So obviously this one, I'm gonna assume works, yep. And then over here, another one, the night light. Here, let's try that. And it works, and you can see the red light comes on saying it's been tripped. Then we'll hit reset, and it's back to normal. It's not all though. So I'm in a bathroom, and there's a smoke alarm in the bathroom. This is a first alert. Still powered. It's ionization. You can see very close to a vent too. Code is 3 feet from any vent, fan, etc. So very odd. I'm not really sure why that was done, but yeah, there you go.